Welcome! In today's video, we'll be diving deep into the stages of development as outlined by Dr. Maria Montessori. Dr. Montessori's philosophy centers on the idea that each child is a unique individual with a specific developmental timeline. By understanding these stages, we can better support the child's growth, learning, and independence. Let's explore the 4 key stages of development that Dr. Montessori identified. Let's start with the first stage, the absorbent mind, 0 to 6 years. This stage is crucial because it's when children are like sponges, absorbing information from their environment without conscious effort. Dr. Montessori referred to this as the absorbent mind because young children take in knowledge through their senses: sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell. At this stage, children are developing their foundational skills: language, motor coordination, and basic concepts such as shapes, numbers, and colors. Their brains are particularly primed for learning and are constantly forming connections. Montessori classrooms are designed to meet these needs. Materials such as the sandpaper letters and number rods help children engage with their environment through touch, sight, and movement, reinforcing concepts in a hands-on, interactive way. Through these materials, children begin to develop muscle memory and sensory awareness, laying the groundwork for future learning. As children reach the age of 6, they enter the second stage, the conscious mind, 6 to 12 years. Now that children have absorbed the basics, they begin to shift from passively absorbing information to actively seeking knowledge. This is the age of reason, a time when children's ability to think critically, ask questions, and form logical connections begins to develop. They move from concrete, hands-on learning to more abstract thinking. During this stage, children are highly curious. They're ready to explore subjects like history, science, geography, and culture in more depth. They also begin to develop an understanding of social structures and their role in the community. In a Montessori classroom, the focus is on independent exploration. Children are encouraged to work on long-term projects that combine subjects, such as a study of plants and animals that integrate science, math, and geography. This stage is all about exploration, self-direction, and making connections between different areas of knowledge. At this age, children also begin to develop a sense of morality, understanding concepts like fairness, justice, and empathy. Montessori educators foster this through group work and collaborative learning, where children practice social skills, share ideas, and work toward common goals. Next, we enter the third stage, the rational mind, 12 to 18 years. Adolescence is a time of transformation. Children in this stage are moving into puberty and experiencing significant physical, emotional, and intellectual changes. They begin to seek greater independence while simultaneously trying to understand their identity and their place in the world. Adolescents develop the ability to think abstractly and critically. They are interested in more complex philosophical questions about society, ethics, and personal beliefs. Their learning is less about facts and more about how to apply knowledge to solve real-world problems. In Montessori education, this is where the adolescent program shines. At this stage, learning is driven by experience. Adolescents engage in hands-on projects, real-world internships, community service, and entrepreneurial ventures. The focus is on personal responsibility, problem-solving, and learning through active participation. They also begin exploring vocational skills and making decisions about their future careers or higher education. Montessori allows them to make these decisions with support, offering them opportunities for self-expression and leadership in both academic and non-academic contexts. The fourth stage, the full development of the individual, 18 to 24 years, is the culmination of the child's journey. By now, young adults have reached a point where they can think abstractly and critically, and they are now preparing to apply this ability in the world as independent, self-sufficient individuals. At this stage, young adults are ready to take full responsibility for their decisions. They are exploring their passions, developing a sense of purpose, and engaging in the broader community. The focus is on practical applications, whether through higher education, internships, or entering the workforce. In Montessori education, the role of the adult is to support young adults in becoming global citizens. Individuals who are prepared to contribute to society, make informed decisions, and pursue meaningful work. The Montessori approach emphasizes personal growth, independence, and community responsibility at this stage, helping them transition successfully into adulthood. Dr. Montessori's stages of development offer a comprehensive understanding of how children grow and learn. Each stage builds upon the previous one, creating a seamless progression from one phase of development to the next. By observing and supporting children at each of these stages, we can provide them with the tools they need to become confident, independent, and lifelong learners. Montessori education is not just about academic knowledge. It's about fostering the development of the whole child, guiding them on a path to self-discovery and fulfillment. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about how Montessori can support your child's developmental journey, visit our website or contact us for more information.